welcome to Wilby Avenue in Little Lever. Got a superb family home here, set on a lovely quiet road, not far away from Macefield Primary School and Little Lever Secondary School. Beautifully presented to the front, as we can see. We've got loads of parking, probably for 3 or 4 cars there on a block paved driveway. Let's go and have a look at this 3-bedroom detached family home. Welcome into Wilby Avenue. Now, beautiful property this one. We enter into the entrance hallway. Beautiful flooring here. Downstairs we have a lounge, we have a playroom, kitchen, 3rd bedroom and also a bathroom. Let me show you the 3rd bedroom first of all, as that's at the front of the house. 3rd bedroom is currently being used as a bit of a cinema room, as we can see. Cracking size. For me, it's easily a double bedroom. You see how much room we've got in here. And a lovely big cinema there. Again, as I say, this room backs or fronts the property. Right, from here, we will go into the bathroom. Bathroom on the ground floor. We have a 3-piece suite with WC, sink and bath. All very, very beautiful, must say. Very modern, absolutely gorgeous inside. And look at those radiators, stunning. From here, we'll go into the lounge. Again, another really good size room with a window to the front of the house. Beautiful flooring once again. Fantastic space to entertain. From the lounge, we have access through to the playroom, which we'll have a look at in a moment, but let's have a look at the kitchen. Again, beautifully presented. Everything's just absolutely stunning. We've got double doors there leading onto the rear garden. Beautiful units. Yeah, we've got a integrated dishwasher here at the far end. Space for a fridge freezer. Got understairs storage. Stunning ceramic sink. Again, double glazed window to the side. All very beautifully presented throughout. So from here, we'll go into the playroom and then we'll have a look upstairs. So the playroom, and again, another fantastic size. I think it was originally a conservatory, which has been extended a wee bit. Could be used for anything, to be fair. Could be used as it is, as a playroom. Could be used as another sitting room. It could be used as a dining room. It's entirely up to how people see it. But again, absolutely loaded room. Right, let's have a look upstairs. Okay, to the first floor. Lovely double glazed window there, letting plenty of natural light in. We go into the main bedroom. Master bedroom, again, I mean, look at the size of that bed. This is huge. It's a lovely, lovely, great size. Window out onto the front. Fitted wardrobes. It's not just fitted wardrobes, really. When we open them up, very briefly, you can see how far back they go. Quite a good way. Loads of storage. Superb sized bedroom. And then from here, go across the landing to a shower room. Again, for me, this is wonderful because we've got the family bathroom downstairs, shower room upstairs. Best of both worlds, really. And then into the 2nd bedroom. Again, another double room, I would say. Loads of room, skylight there again, letting natural light in. We've got storage here. That actually goes back over the stairs. Look at all this decoration, absolutely love it. But beautiful, beautiful room. Okay, let's go and have a look at the rear of the property. To the rear of the property, we have a beautifully maintained, low maintenance garden. Beautiful fencing to the rear with one patio area, but not just one patio area. We have a decking area here and also a second patio area there. Absolutely stunning. Low maintenance, which is absolutely perfect. From here, we also can enter the utility room. Now, here we have a utility and an office. Both used to be the garage. So the utility, again, every family home needs one of these. Absolutely fantastic. We've got your washer, your dryer, under counter fridge, Worcester Bosch boiler, probably one of the better ones out there. Stainless steel sink. Super utility room. And also from here we can go into the office. So here we are, home office. Can be used as a gym, as we can see. Fantastic place to work from home. Absolutely wonderful family home. Got a sink there as well. So, if you're wanting any further information on this property, if you could please give ourselves a call at Cardwells Estate Agents in Bolton on 01204 381 281.